Blackview BV9000, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down and open apps which are under device. Here tap on more icon, the three dots one in upper corner, and here you will notice the option reset app preferences. So if you truly want to reset them, just tap on reset app preferences. And now you just have to confirm that you are aware of the fact that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. So if you still want to do it, just tap on reset apps. And that's it. You've just reset all app preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.